Hey everyone, welcome back to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. Today I've got a short video for you. I'm going to show you how I organize all of my Ableton sessions. I'm producing for a lot of various projects, including my own Alias Fresco bar and a lot of the releases on NOS Recordings I'm dealing with, so I have to have a good folder structure that keeps the projects flowing from stage to stage. So I'm going to show you how I do this. And if you can, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to stay up to date. It really does help me out. And let's get right into this. As you can see, I've got my production drive here. This is a second one. I have filled up a previous one, and I actually keep my sound library separate from my production library. So this is just the production stuff that I do. And as you can see inside here, I have a production folder. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Really, what happens is I'll generate ideas in this folder, and as you can see, I have a lot of various ideas and things that I might have been working on. You know, one of the things I like to do as well is I like to label the artist and the title of whatever it is, the BPM, and the key signature of the track. Sometimes when I'm doing the idea phase, I don't always get to name it right there, but once it gets to these sections, now you can see that then they're fully named. So after I get it from the idea phase, if I like where it's going, I move it into the production phase. And once the production is finished, I may move that over up into the finished phase. And once we're ready for that to happen, I'll probably make the radio edit in that section and then move over into the mastering phase. So these are the productions that need to get mastered. And as you can see, once I do that, I move it into a folder called Evolve. And what I'd like to do here, which I'm not very good at, but I'll usually go through the session and clean it up and pull out any sounds I've designed or various things to put into my own custom sample pack folders. It kind of helps keep me and my sample pack organized, as well as adding new sounds and things that I've created to it. So it's a great way to help develop your own sound and build out samples of your own, instead of always relying on other people's. Once I'm all done with it, I haven't, on this brand new drive, I haven't actually moved anything into the archive stage, but on my old drive, there's hundreds of sessions in that folder of previous, years and years of work. So I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you. And thank you for watching this video. This is Freddie from Distinct Mastering. Once again, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment down below about this strategy and this method. It works for me. You might take some tips out of this and refine it for your own needs. But, that's the beauty of this. There's no one right or wrong way to work. And please do, if you did like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and that bell notification will keep you up to date. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. This is Freddie from Distinct Mastering. Once again, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment down below about this strategy and this method. It works for me. You might take some tips out of this and refine it for your own needs. But, that's the beauty of this. There's no one right or wrong way to work. And please do, if you did like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and that bell notification will keep you up to date. Have a great day.